What's up, guys? So back in the fall, I got this Facebook Marketplace find. This is a factory CTS-V exhaust, and we're going to see if we can swap this onto my wife's CTS and upgrade to a factory performance exhaust. So first step, I guess, is let's get the exhaust off of my wife's car. Okay, there is our factory 3.6 liter sport exhaust. So on the tips here, we got 3-inch tip, but right here it goes down to 2 inches. The main body pipe, 2 1/4, all the way back to here, up to these resonators, and then in front of the resonators, over here is 2 1/2. So 2 1/4, 2 1/2 over there. Yeah, over here is the 6.2 liter CTS-V exhaust. So if we look at the pipe tip, this is a 4-inch versus the 3-inch there. And then pretty much everything on the V exhaust is 2 1/2. So from here, 2 1/2, over here, 2 1/2. Got this factory X pipe, and that should help with flow and sound. And then this is all 2 1/2 all the way to the exhaust dump from the manifolds. So we're going to have to find where is going to be the best place to splice it in. And I'm going to think, or I'm going to guess, it's going to be up in this area over here somewhere. So I'm going to line these up at the against the wall so I can kind of pick the same point on both sides, and then I'll lay out my cut, and then we'll do our cut and splice, get it back together, and put on the car. Take you to boo, yo. See how it goes. Easy. So it turns out these things aren't resonators, these are actually catalytic converters, which is kind of weird because it's after the O2 sensor. So there must be 2 cats on the V's. So I'm just going to cut these off because we still have our factory cats on the 3.6.